Welcome to FX Street. If you like what we're talking about, you like the content we are producing, head on over to YouTube, hit that subscribe button on our channel, and you can follow me individually at Just Analysis 1 and at Kash at Mangyeko0. Taking a look at Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu's got a couple things coming up here that are important to take a peek at. So the first is you have this Kumo twist coming up on the 15th. And then also that's just a little bit before the March 21st date, which is an important time cycle date for cryptocurrencies. Make sure you check out the Bitcoin video today to get more info on that. But really Shiba Inu in a lot of ways is mostly unchanged from where it was back in the end of January, where we're kind of testing this this chunk of support here, right in this zone. We've tested it before. It's been holding, nothing really screaming it's going to drive down below it. It's so far holding very nicely. It's confirmed an ideal bearish Ichimoku breakup, but again, just not seeing a lot of follow through. Not saying it can't happen, but it's just kind of holding. We had this trade idea we identified a couple of weeks ago. And it triggered. It's still open, active, and running. It's still available if people didn't hit it. I mean, this is just a hypothetical setup, but it's still open, active. The target is up at 60 or 6,600, whatever you want to use it, 0.00006. Yeah, Shiba, just like Doge, just like Bitcoin and everything else, really at the mercy of how risk on speculators and investors are these days, and they're not. You can really just tell by looking at all of the any financial market right now. You look at you look at the Nasdaq, it's tanked, and looking at the weekly chart, it's testing the bottom of the Ichimoku cloud. It hasn't dropped below the Ichimoku cloud, hasn't closed below the Ichimoku cloud since December of 2018 on the weekly chart. And it is in bear market territory. The Nasdaq is down quite a bit from its all-time high to where it is now. It's down 20.47%. That is a technical bear market in equities, which is silly because 20% down in cryptocurrencies, that's like a Tuesday. It's like last Tuesday. That's nothing. But look at the other markets here, and this is a little off topic, but you have oil. This is WTI, U.S. oil. Brent is up quite a bit too, but hitting $130 this week at gapped open, surpassing a lot of 2008's highs and threatening to go even higher. You have natural gas up quite a bit, wheat. I mean, commodities, folks. This is not anything new. This has been the case for a couple of years now, but commodities are just spiking. You have silver up 2% today, looking like it's going to have a technical breakout towards the $40 range here soon. Gold hitting and surpassing 2K. Peter Schiff is excited because he's trolling on Twitter. Lumber is still elevated significantly. You have wheat. Wheat is crazy, but wheat is up this month so far, 41.3%. Given that Ukraine is one of the largest wheat producers, that makes sense, but wheat is really, really high. And I think, so it's just nuts. And anyways, what I'm saying is that you have a lot of, and the dollar index is up a ton as well. It's approaching the same highs it was back in April of last year. And it's just very, very much a risk off environment. You have yields going up, you have equity markets down, and Shiba Inu, folks, that is a risk on asset. It is not a flight to safety. And as long as the broader financial space is very much averse to risk, Shiba Inu especially, and cryptocurrencies in general, they represent the most risky of risk-on assets. They will continue to drift south until there is more positive risk mood out there. So that does it for me on Shiba Inu. We'll update this. Actually, so downside pressure, is likely, and to the 0.00002 range, that's where I would see it going as far as the lows until we talk on Friday. Upside potential is likely capped around that 0.000028 level. Anyways, now that does it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.